Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 4, preparing and delivering a speech. So this is a really interesting week and one that I really enjoy because we talk about stage fright, and there's this great video that I shared, and I've had it on this page for this class for many years, but it talks about the science of stage fright. It's a TED Talk, and I find it super interesting. So I'm looking forward to hearing what you think about that video because I really enjoy it. You also have preparing and delivering a speech. So this is, of course, an outline of the textbook, chapters 9 and 10. And I just want to prepare you as an FYI. Version 1 of the textbook had this listed as chapters 7 and 8. Version 2 is 9 and 10. It's the same exact PowerPoint between the two. You're just going to see in the video it says 7 and 8. But don't worry about that because it is chapters 9 and 10. It's the same thing. They just moved the chapters when they changed the versions. And that's the only thing. I used the old PowerPoints here. Other than that, it's all the same. I also included the PowerPoints, of course, in the section down below for you to reference. This is, of course, where I'm talking about version 1 versus version 2, but don't bother with the differences there. But you need to read chapter 9 and 10 because you have access to version 2, and that's what's listed on the course page. So read chapters 9 and 10, which is the same as 7 and 8 in version 1. So make sure you watch the lecture there, just as I spoke about, and then there's some great information about tips for presentations, and how to give a great presentation. You're going to learn a lot about presentation types, APA formatting, that kind of great stuff. What you have to do this week, and then I also have some information about ScreenPal, which is what I recommend using for recording your paper, which is going to be super helpful. That's what I use to do my lectures, and I've really enjoyed it so far. You do have 2 sets of homework for chapter 9 and homework for chapter 10, right? And don't get worried and confused again about the chapter. It's, of course, 7 and 8 in version 1, but it's 9 and 10 in version 2. And then you have discussion board. So your discussion board is preparing and delivering a speech. And remember, in that discussion board, make sure you get your initial post done by, let's get the date here. I don't want to give you the wrong date. By the 28th in the day, and then reply due by the, actually September 1st. So your reply would be due September 1st by end of day. That's pretty much everything about this week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you in any way. And again, let me know if I can do anything to support you throughout your journey. And I look forward to seeing what your discussion posts are and replying to them. Thanks so much.